go shoot it. That right? No? He wants to pull.
Oh, he wants to pull the...
All right, I'll help you, okay? Now put your finger down here. Don't pull, okay? Now you look out here. Look to the bird, okay? When you pull, when you say pull.
Oh. Shoot.
All right, you got to shoot at it.
You got to shoot at it, Preston.
All right, look
He's
at
not
the bird.
Say pull.
When he said pull, he pulled the trigger.
Don't pull the trigger until you see the bird.
You gotta cycle it. Here, get that shell right there. There you go. Give me another one. You want to look at the bird, okay, and then shoot at the bird, okay? All right, the bird's gonna be up here. Look,
Watch
he'll
the
be up
bird.
here, okay? So you get ready.
Look,
You ready?
look. Watch the bird, shoot it.
Oh, he got close.
Yeah.
You gotta put it here. Hold your gun. You got the gun?
Okay.
I don't want him to drop it. All right, the bird's up here, okay?
Go with the bird.
Look down your barrel.
When
He's
you're
not
ready,
with that barrel.
you know, where are you looking at?
Peyton, pull.
Somebody said pull. You don't even look at the bird.
You gotta lock the bird so you can shoot the bird. That's,
All right, hold on.
Hey Preston, this
Get your
is the
shell out.
sniper. You gotta kill the sniper.
Look.
When he goes up there, you gotta kill it. Okay?
Pretend somebody's up there.
You don't even have your earplugs in.
He's alright.
All right, now you look at the bird, okay? You look down here
Kill
so
the.
you see the bird, and you move around, okay?
You gotta move the gun to.
What are you looking at? There you go.
Pull.
Look.
Oh, you're getting close.
That's close.
You ready?
Okay, it's well documented.
Good grief.
Yeah, he hit him too.
I'll get him. I got this one.
All right, look, where's the bird going to be? Up here?
Yes.
Okay.
That one thing.
Say pull.
Pull.
Oh, close. That's better.